In this video, I'll show you how to reduce background noise from your video audio using Adobe Audition. I'm using the Creative Cloud version, so it might look a little bit different for you if you're using another. So your first step is you're going to take the actual video file that you'd like to edit the audio of. In my case, it's an MP4, and I'm just going to drop it into Adobe Audition. And what this does is this automatically separates the audio from the MP4. Go ahead and click on the audio file and you'll see the waveform there. The waveform that seems more active here in the middle is where the person is talking. And all of the things around it is mainly background noise. So it's really important whenever you're recording a video that you have your subject count a few seconds before they actually start talking. What this does is it allows you the opportunity to have a little bit of background noise or hum to be able to remove from the rest of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and select this portion of the video audio right here. I know that that's the period of time where I instructed my subject not to talk. That's the portion of the audio that I want to remove throughout the entire time where the person is talking. The way I do this is I go to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, Noise Reduction Process, and then you want to capture the noise print. So what that's going to do is capture it, and this is the actual representation of it. Go ahead and press this arrow, which is save the current noise print. And then you'll go ahead and save that to whatever you like. Make sure it's something that's relevant to what you're doing. It's going to save it as an FFT file. Hit save. In my case, I already saved it, so that's why it's saying overwrite it. And then you want to press close and select the entire audio file. Once you've done that, go back to Effects, Noise Reduction and Restoration, Noise Reduction, and from here, press play, and once it gets to the point of the person talking, make adjustments to this noise reduction and reduce by section. What that tells Adobe Audition to do is reduce it by the amount that you would like. If you do it too much, it's going to add a decaying or kind of a robotic sound to your subject that was talking. So make sure to do it just right so that you don't hear the background noise, but you can still hear the person really clearly the way that they actually sound. Once you're complete, press apply, and it will apply it to the entire file. So as you can see throughout my waveform, it's a lot more clean. There's less noise there. And I can go ahead and reattach this audio with my video in iMovie, Premiere, Final Cut Pro, whatever video software that I'm using, and then edit from there. This is really important to do it that way if you're syncing it with a person that's actually talking in front of the camera, or if you're syncing it with some B-roll or some tutorial footage or on-screen footage, not someone talking, then you can go ahead and edit the footage in Audition and drop it in with whatever video that you would like. And that was a video of how you can edit out the background noise from your video audio. If you have any questions or would like tutorials on anything else, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like this video, press like, and please do subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon. Thanks.